8:42 in the morning on Wednesday, September 18th. I'm at the Hugh Ramsey Nature Park. It rained pretty good here in Harlingen on Monday. Didn't rain yesterday, Tuesday. I was at the area where let me show you this. You can see how much rain this area got. Probably Monday. You can see the erosion or the runoff. I was in the area where the javelinas feed. And there's another gentleman there. And then, sadly, there was 2 condoms right there on the table, on the bench. So I'm not gonna show that. People should clean up after themselves. It's a warm. Oh, I wouldn't really say muggy morning. This time I lathered myself in mosquito repellent. The last week that I was here, I was getting bit, eaten alive by mosquitoes. I want to see what the Arroyo Colorado looks like. Look at all that vegetation. Tells you how much rain has been received. I hear a bird in the tree somewhere. Don't know if that's a thrasher. As always, I'm going to turn left here at the trail, and then I'll stop the video at the other trail, the one that's parallel to the Arroyo Colorado. Look at all that vegetation. Better than last year's drought. I really don't go those 2 other trails because there's not much to see. It's a big hole right there because of the rain, where the rain was falling so heavy. I did notice that they cut or mowed this high grass here. So let me cut the video here, then I'll resume later on.